I do think it's a very good idea if you are interested in boards to start practicing, as it were, in the not-for-profit space. People sometimes are a bit dismissive of not-for-profit, but many of them run very big businesses and complex businesses with really big compliance and governance issues. You know, if you look at most of the non-for-profits, they're working in the hard edge of our society, trying to make things better. Some with no money, some with lots of money. My personal view is try and get on one with some money, because otherwise you're going to be fundraising, and if you're not comfortable with fundraising, it's not the place for you. Learning the skills, finding out if you like being on a board. You know, some people get there and say, well, this is not for me, I don't really care for it. I've been on lots of government boards. I like the government board space. A couple of reasons. They are big business. When people think of government, I think they often think it's just some sort of small, piddly little business. They're big business. You know, I'm on a few that turn a couple of $100 million a year. They're quite complex. They have complex problems. They have, say, in an area like forestry, really complex stakeholder problems. So you learn a lot about stakeholder management, political management. The other benefit about government boards is that although they don't pay so well, there's very little personal risk. So you're not really putting your assets on the line with government boards in the same way you might if you were getting onto a ASX 250, you know, with no money and an adventurous CEO.